So how does it feel now that you are already crowned?
It feels great po kasi mission accomplished and it's very fulfilling kasi naibigay po natin yung parang best natin and nabigay po natin yung parang gusto ng karamihan kasi it's very hard po there but we just put all our effort, our heart and ginawa po natin yung lahat ng challenges doon. Kaya sobrang fulfilling and very thankful po sa mga taong tumulong sa akin sa journey na to.
Kasi diba, sa itsura mo yan, sa estado mo sa buhay, at diba napakarami yung followers, sikat ka, gwapo, nasa iyo na ang kalahatan. So what really keeps you grounded?
I don't consider myself as sikat. I consider myself as inspiring. Siguro dahil po sa story ko sa buhay, I came from humble beginnings. Ito po yung nag-inspire sa akin na magpursige and na kahit na anong achievement na makuha ko sa buhay, I will always be keep grounded and I always go back to my core values as a person.
Kaya ka naman namin mahal at mahal lang sa bayan ng Pilipino. That's what we love about Kenneth. Parang Kenneth Rugad ang nasa namumutawi sa bibig mo kahapon. So, naipasok yun sa isip ko. How God is important to you.
Hindi lang po siya importante sa pageant journey ko, but it's very important to my life po. Kasi siguro, siya yung dahilan kung bakit niya ako dinala sa pageant and siya din ang dahilan kung bakit ako nagkaroon ng ganito. Kaya I'm very thankful to God kasi and siya yung naging sagot sa lahat ng question ko sa buhay. Even there during my performance sa Mr. Supranational, siya yung naging way na nakapasok tayo sa lahat ng mga like segments. Nakapasok tayo sa top 5 kasi siya yung naging drive ko doon. Siya yung naging main source ko. During that time, dala-dala ko yung Bible ko. I always pray when I come out to the stage. I always pray na that Lord, guide me, walk with me, talk with me, be with me, and like speak with me, and let them show you through me. Yun yung parang naging prayers ko doon, and yun, I think it's because of him na nandito tayo ngayon and nagkaroon tayo ng nanalo tayo.
Yeah, yun talaga ang very aspiring sa'yo. Di ba hindi mo kinakalimutan God? Lastly, Kenneth, you are always telling us you are writing a book. So nasaan ka na ngayon sa book na ito and how do you like that book to end?
Actually, since nag-start ako sa pageant, I created this book na The Pageantry, right? Marami naman pong nakakaalam nun. I created this book kasi sobrang laki po ng tulong ng pageant sa buhay ko. And I want to give back what it helped me. So yun. Ngayon, as of now, I'm still working and continuing it, writing it. And I also want to interview more queens and kings and also pageant owners and medias kasi gusto ko po na marami tayong matulungan not just now but in the future po sa mga future kids dyan or children na gustong mag-pageant din kasi hindi naman ako pageantero dati but nag-try lang ako and it really helped me a lot in life. It opened doors for me, it gives me opportunities, travel experience, lahat po yung mga blessing is because of pageantry and I want to gusto kong ma-experience ito ng mga kabataan yung mga na-experience ko and I hope that this will help in the future. And gusto ko rin po
How do you like it to end?
Gusto kong ma-end to na maging successful tong book na to and siguro yung kita ng book na to I hope na maka-help din ako sa mga kabataan. And I hope na this will also like give light to male pageantry kasi medyo underestimated po yung lalaki, hindi po kami nagkikita sa pageant but I hope this will also open doors and give light to male pageantry in the future.